everyone. How are you all? All are fine. Okay, I am also fine. So, do you know today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn about alphabets and their phonic sounds. Okay, today we will learn A, B, C, D and their phonic sounds. Okay, but before starting it, we will do rhymes. Okay, let's do the rhymes. Come little children, come to me. I will teach you A, B, C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Sugar on your bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Early in the morning, come to me. I will teach you A, B, C. So, today we will learn A, B, C and their phonic sounds. Okay. So, let's start. So, do you know we have 26 alphabets? A to Z. Okay. And each alphabet or each letter have their own sound. Like birds have their sounds, we have some sounds. Okay, these letter has also their sounds, and these sounds are called phonic sounds. Okay, let's start. Say with me. A apple. A apple. B banana. B banana. C cake. C cake. D doll. D doll. E envelope. E envelope. F for fish. F for fish. G grapes. G grapes. H hat. H hat. I igloo. I igloo. J joker. J joker. K kite. K kite. L lamp. L lamp. M mat. M mat. N nest. N nest. O orange. O orange. P pencil. P pencil. Q quill. Q quill. rainbow. R rainbow. S sun. S sun. T television. T television. U umbrella. U umbrella. V was. V was. W watch. W watch. X Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Y yacht. Y yacht. Z zebra crossing. Z zebra crossing. Again. A apple. A apple. B banana. B banana. C cake. C cake. D doll. D doll. E envelope. E envelope. F fish. F fish. G grapes. G grapes. H her hat. H her hat. I igloo. I igloo. J joker. J joker. K kite. K kite. L lamp. L lamp. M mat. M mat. N nest. N nest. O orange. O orange. P pencil. P pencil. Q quill. Q quill. R rainbow. R rainbow. S sun. S sun. T television. T television. U umbrella. U umbrella. V was. V was. W, watch. W, watch. X, Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Y, yacht. Y, yacht. Z, zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. So, what we have learned today? We have learned letters, alphabet and their phonic sounds from A to Z. Okay. So, you also try to learn this phonic sound. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.